The keyboard is very slim keyboard. This one, see guys, very slim and very lightweight also. Hello guys, now we are going to unbox a special keyboard from Portronics brand. Now this, why I am saying it is special, because this keyboard has a trackpad also. This is not a normal keyboard. This keyboard has a trackpad also. Okay, what is this model name? The model name is Bubble Pro. This is from Portronics brand. Okay, let's unbox this keyboard. It's a simple packing only, not more than that. And we have the user manual. We don't need this one. Okay, that's it. Nothing inside the box. Just a transparent cover. Wow, I feel this keyboard is so good and so nice. Okay, let's see, is there any batteries inside the keyboard? Just remove this back panel to see. Okay, there is no batteries inside this keyboard. I already have 2 batteries with me. Okay, let me insert these batteries first. Yeah, in this way you can insert the batteries. Next, this is the 2.4G dongle. Yeah, this is 2.4G dongle to connect this keyboard to the any device like laptop, mobile, TV, any device you can connect using this dongle. And also this keyboard has a special feature, that is Bluetooth. It can connect via Bluetooth also. I will show you how to connect using this dongle and how to connect using this using the Bluetooth also. Okay, first let me turn on this keyboard. See guys, there is a toggle switch here. You just push this one to on position, then it is becoming turn on. Right, that's it. You are turned on the keyboard. The keyboard quality is quite good, and this trackpad also okay. This is above average quality. Don't expect more from the budget under 1000. Okay, this keyboard quality is also good. Nice. Next, let me connect this keyboard to my laptop. I just opened my laptop. You will see the screen. One second, guys. Yeah, you just see the screen. Okay. First of all, how to connect this keyboard to the laptop? After turning on the button, you just need to press, see guys, function and the C button. Why C button? C is the connect button. If you press function C button, it becomes to pairing mode. Okay, later you need to choose whether Bluetooth or 2.4 dongle. First of all, I will go with the 2.4 dongle. Okay, then I press the function and 2 button. Understand? First of all, you need to go to the pairing mode, function C button. Then you need to choose the which mode, Bluetooth or dongle. I will go with the dongle first. Okay, if we go with the dongle, you need to insert the dongle. Okay, take the dongle out and just plug it to the laptop. I just plugged it to the USB port of my laptop. That's it guys, it's ready to use. You will see the mouse will be, wait. I will tell you, right? Function C and function 2. Then our keyboard is connected successfully to the laptop. You will see the mouse is rotating, and I will show you. Yeah guys, see guys, I will show you. Yeah, the mouse is moving, right? And the keyboard is also working fine. First of all, let me go to Notepad and I will show you all the keys. Yeah, all the keys are working fine guys, all the keys are working fine. Capital letters, small letters, everything is working fine. Numerical numbers. Yeah, that's it guys. This keyboard is working so nice, and the key is also very silent. If we click the key, it is not make any noise. It's very silent keyboard. I was like this kind of keyboards. Okay, and this mouse, this trackpad is also supports multi gestures. See guys, the multi gestures also it is supports. and the trackpad supports the clicks also. Your left click, right click also it is supporting. Left click is working and the right click also working. Okay, let me show you how to connect to the Bluetooth also. Okay, then I remove this dongle first. Later I move to pairing mode. How to go to pairing mode? You just press the function and connect button. Okay, later function plus 1. 1 means why 1? Because it is the Bluetooth mode. Okay, function with Bluetooth mode. Okay, now I'm going to check in my laptop. I will turning on the Bluetooth first. See guys, I turned on the Bluetooth. Here you will find the Bubble Pro, because the keyboard model name is Bubble Pro. You just click the Bubble Pro, then it is connecting. Yeah, it is showing the connect option. I just click the connect button. That's it guys. The Bluetooth is connected successfully. Now without using this dongle, we are connected using the Bluetooth. Okay, let me check whether it is working fine via Bluetooth also. See guys, the keyboard is working fine guys with Bluetooth also. Trackpad is working fine, and I will type something. See guys, everything is working fine guys. Everything is working fine. Okay, let's talk about the quality of the keyboard. The quality of the keyboard is so decent. If you talk about, the quality is so decent, and if you see, the keyboard is very slim keyboard. This one, see guys, very slim and very lightweight also. And if you see, the price on the box is 1599 rupees, but you will get this keyboard in the range of 850 rupees to 999 rupees. It's a good deal guys. Definitely I suggest you to go through this Portronics Bubble Pro keyboard, and I will drop you the purchase link below in the description. You can buy the product from through the link. Okay, thank you for watching, and hit the like button if you feel this video is informative and it is helpful to you. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.